Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss e-commerce, and the contents of today's lecture are e-commerce factors to consider before launching into e-commerce, designing a website, tracking web results, ensuring web privacy and security, growth of e-commerce in Pakistan, and ultimately the references for this lecture. E-commerce, the new concept of running business using the electronic device, has changed the world of business. This new business methodology, which has become the call of the time, is e-commerce. The internet has produced informed shoppers who are taking price out of the buying equation due to the increase of availability of price information. This causes retailers to emphasize other factors such as customer service, deep product lines, or convenience to build long-term relationship. In addition, customers value other shoppers' options about the products they purchase and the shopping experiences with companies. Modern shoppers expect to be able to make purchases across the multiple channels, including the web, mobile devices, social media, television shopping channels, catalogs, and brick and mortar stores, etc. Factors to consider before launching into e-commerce. Before launching e-commerce effort, entrepreneurs should consider the following important strategic issues. The way in which a company exploits the internet's interconnectivity and the opportunities it creates to transform relationships with its suppliers and vendors, its customers, and other external stakeholders are crucial to its success. Success requires a company to develop a plan for integrating the internet into its overall business strategy. The plan should address issues such as website design and maintaining, creating and managing a brand name, marketing and promotional strategy, sales and customer service. Developing deep, lasting relationships with customers takes on even greater importance on the internet. Attracting online customers cost money, and companies must be able to retain their online customers to make their website profitable. Creating a meaningful presence on the internet requires an ongoing investment of resources like time, money, energy, and talent. Measuring the success of its internet-based sales effort is essential if a company is to remain relevant to its customers, whose tastes, needs, and preferences are always changing. Acquiring customers. Entrepreneurs must develop a strategy for using the many available tools, which range from display ads and Google AdWords to social media and search marketing. Optimizing conversation. Every online entrepreneur goal is to convert website visitors into paying customers. The efficiency with which an online company achieves this goal plays a significant role in determining its profitability. Maximizing website performance. Once shoppers find a company's website, they should encounter a site that downloads quickly, is easy to navigate, and contains meaningful content they can find quickly and efficiently, ensuring a positive user experience. Achieving customer satisfaction online is as important as offline. Visitors who are satisfied with a site are more likely to purchase from site than those who are dissatisfied. Retaining customers. Just like offline stores, customer retention is essential to the success of online business. Use of web analytics as part of a cycle of continuous improvement. Entrepreneurs must have a multitude of web analytic tools that they can use to analyze the performance and effectiveness of their website. 10 myths of e-commerce. Although many entrepreneurs have made their fortunes through e-commerce, setting up shop on the internet is no guarantee to success. Make sure that you do not become a victim of one of the following e-commerce myths. Number one, if I launch a site, customer will flock to it. Not necessary. You have to make your site attractive enough to attract the customer. Two, online customers are easy to please. No, in many cases, it is more difficult to convince a customer online. 3. Making money on web is easy. It is also not guaranteed. In some cases, you are not able to make money easily. You have to make the customer realize that the online purchase is better and it is easy, so they can easily or conveniently pay you. Privacy is not an important issue on web. Privacy is one of the most important issues on web, so keep that in mind. A strategy, I don't need a strategy to sell on the web. This is also not correct. You must use a strategy in order to sell your product on web or otherwise, because without a strategy you cannot properly sell your product. 6. The most important part of any e-commerce effort is technology. Of course, technology is important, but the design of your web and the way you sell online is equally important. Customer service is not as important online as it is in a traditional retail store. This is your 7th myth. But in fact, customer service is very important whether you are doing your business online or otherwise. 8. Flashy websites are better than simple ones. Not always. In some cases, yes, your flashy websites attract people, but in some cases, simple ones are more important and meaningful. Myth 9. It is what's up front that counts. No, customers are intelligent enough to see the things at the background. Myth 10. My business does not need a website. Completely incorrect. Because if you are in an online business, you must have a website. Otherwise, you will be in trouble. Strategies for e-success. Nowadays, people spend more time online than ever before. Building sufficient volume for a site takes energy, time, money, creativity, and perhaps most important, a well-defined strategy. Following are some guidelines for building a successful e-commerce strategy for a small company. 1. Focus on a niche in the market. 2. Develop a community. 3. Listen to your customers and act on what you hear. D. Attract visitors by giving away freebies. Give something away for free and then sell them something else. It must be something customers value. Does not have to be very expensive. E. Sell the experience. Yes, create an engaging and enjoyable online shopping experience through easy navigation, a simple and fast checkout process, and thorough product distribution with quality images. F. Make creative use of email but avoid becoming a spammer. Use properly and creatively. Email can be an effective, low-cost way to build traffic. Make the most of the web global reach. Ignoring foreign customer makes little sense. E-companies must design their sites with their foreign customers in mind by providing information in multiple languages. Entrepreneurs should hire professional translation and localization services to convert a company's website contents into other languages to minimize the likelihood of a company unintentionally offending foreign customers. Go mobile. By investing a little more time and money to create responsive websites, those that confer naturally and seamlessly to the size and resolution of the screen on which they are displayed. Small companies can accommodate customers on any device. Businesses develop social local mobile SOLOMO strategies, which are marketing strategies aimed at capitalizing on shoppers' pervasive use of social media, mobile devices, and search engines to find the products and services they want to purchase and the businesses that sell them. Promote your website online and offline. Put the company's web address on everything a company publishes, from its advertisements and letterhead to shopping bags, business cards, and even employees' uniform. Use social media tools to attract and retain customers. Small businesses are responding to the opportunities to connect with customers online by adding the following social component to their e-commerce strategy. Develop an effective search engine optimization strategy. While we talk about social media, there are a few points which we must keep in mind. Mashup is a website for or an application that combines contents from multiple sources. Really simple syndication RSS is an application that allows subscribers to aggregate contents from their favorite websites into a single feedback that is delivered automatically whenever the content is updated. Social networking such as Facebook, Pinterest, and Instagram plays vital or significant role in it. Wiki is a dynamic collection of web pages that allows users to add or edit their content. Widget is a low-cost application that appears like a small television screen on a website, a blog, or a computer desktop and performs a specific function. Apps like Widget provide a simple way for businesses to stay in their customers' mind and generate sales. Let's now talk about the last point, that is develop an effective search engine optimization strategy. The firm's web search strategy must incorporate natural or organic listing, which are search engine listings that are the result of spiders, powerful programs that crawl around the web and analyze sites for keywords, links, keywords, title, tag, feature, and design of a website. Search engine optimization (SEO) is the process of managing the content, keywords, titles, tags, features, and design of a website so that it appears at or near the top of internet search engine. Brainstorm to develop a list of keywords and phrases. Use Google AdWords, Key Tools, or Microsoft Bing Ads. Use these keywords in the little tags and headlines of your web pages. Create meaningful, relevant content for each page with your customers' needs in mind. Encourage social media shares. Create unique product description. Visit competitors' websites for keywords, ideas. Consider using less obvious keywords and brand name. Ask customers which words and phrases they use. Use data analytics tools to find keywords and phrases. Check blocks and bulletin boards for key terms. Remember that customers may misspell the words they type, so include these words in your list. Hire services to monitor and analyze web user tendencies. Block irrelevant results with negative keywords that are excluded in search. Include links to other relevant websites and land links on the high profile website. Start a blog and post videos on your site.